Hello. I'm going to unbox a 590 on the Chardonnay channel. Chardonnay. That's my name on Battlefield 4 too. Guess what it is? It's a killer chainsaw. 590. I think I just said that, didn't I? Well, anyway. 590 Echo chainsaw. Used. Yeah, it's used. Try to get this open. I hate unboxings actually, but I'm gonna do one just to see if I can spark interest in everybody. Okay, she's open now. This baby's sharp. I gotta get rid of it. It's a sharp bullet. Come with the scabbard. There's that. It ain't light. She ain't light. Crap. It's a long ways to lift up. Let's see. So far the video is probably sucking because you couldn't see what was going on. Come out there. Here. Oh, she looks new. Ain't gonna use much. Come here. Man, this thing's kind of sharp. It's the Timberwolf Echo 590. You got your wolf on there. Echo, made in Japan. Well, that looks like a decent chain. Yeah, it's kind of sharp. Ain't been used much. Let's see if this bad boy will start. I'm gonna put some gasoline in it. Well, this one had gas in it. They didn't even dump it. Dang, that's tight. It ain't gonna leak. Too tight. We don't need to put the bar on it to get start. Looks like they all come with the scabbard. That's good. Suckers will cut your foot. Trudy, I'm recording. Quiet on the set. I'm recording, making a YouTube video. Quiet on the set. Action! And it's got gas in it. I can see. I don't know how much. I'm going to add some of mine to it. The secret to starting a chainsaw is brand new gas and oil. This is some kind of synthetic brand I think I got at Tractor Supply. Oh, spilled it all over. That's nice. That's going to happen. Honey, I'm making a video. Quiet on the set. She left. I bet it already has oil in it. I don't know. Looks brand new. Close enough. Heck, you can see the gas. See it sloshing? See it sloshing in there? Pretty cool. Always got enough oil in it. Stuff gets everywhere. I hate filling these up. Well, most chainsaws leak. These don't. It seem like these Echoes, they do pretty good. Get my box out of the way. Let's fire it up. First start video. First start for me. It looks like bottom is stopped. Flip it up. We'll pull the choke. And then we'll start it. I'm going to have to throw it. I bet. I think it has decompression. Look at that. I don't know what that means. Is it on or off? I don't want that on there. I'm going to take it off. Boy, it's got a lot of compression. Woo! What's a bad boy? She's a bad boy. I don't know if it's on or off. It don't seem like it relieves a lot of compression to me. I don't know. I pushed it in. Golly. I don't think I'm bad enough to start it. Somebody's badass over here. Gee. I wonder if, how you know if that's on or off. Huh. Let's unchoke it. I mean, let's man, you need to be a badass to start this saw. It's got compression. I'm gonna break it. Guess I'm not a badass, am I? Man, it's got so much compression. Maybe I better not take the decompression thing on. Let's see. Put the choke on and just try to start it. I think you're supposed to put the brake on and all that bull, but there ain't no chain on it. Come on, start. Golly, it's got compression. Whew. Too much for Scott. Too much for old Sharpney. Man. It almost started that time. Oh my gosh. That'll strain your milk. I hope I can start this for this video. Get out of here where I got some room. You need all the advantages. Oh my gosh, that's got the compression. Oh, 590. Whew. She ain't wanting to start. You gotta be badass, I guess. I see women start these. She knows exactly what to do. Ooh, you hear that? It popped off. Oh God. It's a... Take the choke off. Come on. Good grief. This thing has compression, y'all. These 590 this has some ump. I can start the 490. Oh my gosh, I can't even turn it over. Come on, baby. Oh, good grief. I gotta take a break. You guys, it might make the video run longer. I've had it already. You need to be a hoss for a 590. But I just figured out. I ain't a hoss, I guess. It ain't for faint of heart, that's for sure. It must be on it. I think that lady, she pulls it through a few times till she's sure it's not on the compression stroke. Like that. And then she Need to work on the pull rope. I don't know what that is. The pull rope. I don't know what that is. Sure as hell ain't a wore out piston, I tell you that. Damn, it's got compression. Shell it out, my dad. You're gonna shell it out, bro. Okay, well, it's badass. That's a badass little saw there. Killer. Alright, thanks for watching. Ooh, boy, she had compression. Over and out.